Short-term memory loss, inability to focus, brain fog, headaches, migraines, vision, eye pain, cataracts, head and chest pressure, allergies, difficulty breathing, respiratory problems, insomnia, night sweats, nightmares, dizziness, balance problems, anxiety, depression, suicide, tension, irritability, tremors, nausea, environment, flu-like symptoms, digestive difficulty, nosebleeds, hair loss, behavioral problems in children, pets get jumpy. These are symptoms of chemtrails mixed in with microwave radiation frequencies. Even Wi-Fi symptoms. Chronic fatigue, ADHD, autism, behavior problems, violence, high blood pressure, leg cramps, stiffness and neck or back pain. Look at this. While I'm filming, that plane crossed right there. Asthma, joint difficulty, muscle pain, fibromyalgia, dementia, personality changes, Alzheimer's, Parkinson's, ALS, cancer, of course, diabetes, food allergies, dermatitis, aging, free radical problems, lupus, autoimmune disease. DNA breakage. It causes the mercury in the dental filling vapor to leak, causing organ and brain damage. So not only did they ELF and EMF radiation, ultrasonic, infrasonic radiation, but the mercury that they put in your mouth, and the lead and the fillings, from Rockefeller School of Medicine. You know, the shot that you were born, that killed your DNA so your teeth wouldn't grow back, and they created an industry called the dental industry. And now the mercury that they put in their mouth, this goes to show you, this goes back hundreds and thousands of years of poisoning people. They're great at it. You might ask, why are they doing it? Well, because slow death is a huge profit. Enormous. That's why Obamacare is trying to get a cut. They want a cut of the Rothschild and Rockefeller dynasty of poisoning people and sending on people off to war, laughing on their yachts while we kill each other for a reason that they made up on their medias. Wasn't even real. Impacts the central nervous system, spinal cord. Acts as an antenna for electromagnetic waves. They're trying to turn your spinal cord into an antenna. See, they disconnect you from God because you live in the lower half of the chakra, eat, sleep, go to work, pay taxes. You think that's your life. The reason why you're here is to be like a tree. You reach for the light and you journey towards wisdom and truth. Like a tree. And yes, a tree is much wiser than you. I'll guarantee you the tree knows that chemtrails are being sprayed. They're aware of it. They don't watch TV and watch these mind-altering TV commercials and doctors telling you what's wrong with you all day. They just know that something's wrong. Because they're connected to the earth and God and truth. So are the animals. So who's smarter? People who crucify the king, your creator, or a tree? I didn't see the tree crucifying Jesus Christ. But I guess you're smarter. I don't think so.